Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube. I'm going to show you what I got in this package today. In that video you can just see what I got, and here's me dumping it all out on my desk. So we got some super cute Simply Gilded washi. So a bunch of washi all right here, different designs, some foil, some not, some thin, some thick. A lot of this washi was sent to me by my friend that lives out in California, who's a fellow planner junkie like I am. I plan on using this in my new planner that comes on Monday the 29th. So here's all just the washi that I got, a bunch of Simply Gilded, which I'm super excited for. I've never had Simply Gilded before. If you don't know, Simply Gilded is a super popular planner company. They sell stickers and a bunch of other stuff. I'll have them linked down in my bio. Just finding all the miscellaneous washi that got hidden under the stickers, and then we're gonna show off these cute little sticky notes that are the days of the week. I think they're super cute. Don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet, and then quickly get into these stickers. Bunch of different stickers she sent me, a couple kits. These will be used again in the new planner that's coming. Hopefully you guys enjoy. These are all different kits. The St. Patrick's Day obviously isn't going to get used until St. Patrick's Day rolls back around. There's some Erin Condren stickers. Those are linked down in the bio. These don't have a place where they're from, but they're super cute for December. I'll probably end up using them. Those I'll probably use in some journal spread or something. Super cute foiled stickers, more glitter boxes. This video is sped up. I'm still struggling with voiceovers. This is my first voiceover, so hopefully it's going well. I don't have any audio technical difficulties. All the sticker shops that you see here will be posted in the links below. That way you have them. So I'm going to stop talking now, let you finish off this video. Alright, that concludes the Alright, that concludes my YouTube video. Join me for my next one.